Maybe I didn't love you quite as often as I could have. Maybe I didn't treat you quite as good as I should have. I'm so happy that you're mine. Little things I could have said and done, I just never took the time. You were always on my mind.